how do you graph the square root of x plus 2? Y equals the square root of x plus 2. We have to think about what numbers we can put into a square root function that give us a nice whole number answer. Okay, so to recall, if I do the square root of 0, that's just 0. If I do the square root of 1, that's 1. If I do the square root of 4, that's 2. If I do the square root of 9, that's 3. So when I make my table, let's try to get those values here. So if I put, what number would I put in for x to get the square root of 0? Well, you put negative 2 in, and then you get negative 2 plus 2, which is 0, so y is 0. What about getting a 1, or getting a 1 value for y? If I put negative 1 in there, negative 1 plus 2 is 1, square root of 1 is 1. If I put 2 in for x, then we get 2 plus 2, which is 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. So we can go with these three values and get an idea what the square root function is going to do. So negative 2, 0. That's going to be right there. Negative 1, 1. It's going to be right there. And then 2, 2 is going to be right there. We know that the square root function is like a sideways parabola, half of a sideways parabola. So this continues to go up. And that allows me to generate the graph. Let me know what questions